Friends, today's date is 15 July 2021 and today's topic is methods of objects. So let's see what are the methods of objects. Generally, object is a class which is generally object is a class which is generally inherited by the all the classes in the Java. It is generally a concept of inheritance is that when one class inherits another class, the properties of that class will be accessible to all the class which inherits the class. Suppose we create a class like demo, and in that class we define a method print. Then that method, if another class is demo1 extends that demo class, then that print method will also accessible to the demo1 class. This is the concept of inheritance, that is all the properties of the parent is accessible to the child. So object class is a generally class which is parent class of all the classes which are defined in the Java. So what are the methods of the object class are accessible to all the classes which are defined in the Java. So let's see these methods one by one. So first is the toString method. The generally toString method is used for the string representation of an object. We generally create an object for the object of the class, and we store some passes the information by using this object. So we can print this object by using the toString method. ToString method, we can override this ToString method in our class. When we declare a class, it has data members, and when we create an object for it, we can also print this object by using the ToString method. Then second method is the hashcode method. A unique ID that is assigned to object is known as the hashcode of object, and JVM uses this hash value to store in the hash table and the hash map. So also another method is the equals method. If we declare two objects like employee emp1 and employee emp2, and we have declared the data in both the emp1 and emp2, so equals method check whether these two objects are equal or not, and it generally returns a boolean value, either it is a true or the false. The next method is finalize method, and this method generally called just before the garbage collection. When there is no more reference variable for this object, it is used for the cleaning activities. Get class returns the return runtime class of this object. That is, when we call the get class method, then it will return the name of the current class. That is the runtime class. Clone. Generally it is used to create and return the copy of the object. The copy of the object is generally created using the clone method. Notify and wait. It generally used to perform the purpose like multi-threading or locking, etc. So also see these methods one by one. That is protected object clone, used to create and return a copy of the object. Boolean equal, used to indicate whether the sum of the other object is equal to this one or not. If the objects are equal, it will return true, or if the objects are not equal, it will return false. Protected void finalize. Garbage collector call this method on an object when it determines that there are no more references to the object. Class get class, used to get the runtime class of this object. Generally returns the name of the current runtime object, runtime class. Int hashcode, used to get a hashcode value for the object. The next is void notify, used to wake up a single thread that is waiting on this object monitor. Void notify all, used to wake up all the threads that are waiting on this object monitor. String to string, used to get a string representation of the object. Void wait marks the current thread to wait until the another thread invokes the notify method or the notify all method for this object. Void wait, that is long timeout, marks the current thread to wait until either another thread invokes the notify method or notify all method for this object or specified amount of time elapsed. That is void wait. Marks the current thread to wait until another thread invokes the notify method or notify all method for these objects, or some other threads interrupts the current method or certain amount of real time has been elapsed. So let's see again this method one by one. That is the toString method, that is generally used to find out the string representation of the objects, and also toString method to convert object into the string. Hash code, unique ID that is provided to the object, and JVM use this hash code to store it in a hash table or a hash map. Equals, it is used to compare the two objects. Finalize, just called before the garbage collection. Get class returns the runtime class. Clone, it is used to copy the one object into the array, and notify and wait, perform the multi-threading and synchronizing and the locking. Thank you.